Good morning, students. This is CR Sir, Mathematics. Today I am going to discuss that mains 3rd September 2020 shift 2 questions. Shift 1 questions already I uploaded. Watch the videos. Now I am going to upload the shift 2 videos. Still now not subscribed my channel. Please subscribe the channel, like and share to your friends. Okay. Now go to the first question. The orthocenter of triangle ABC. Three vertices given. How to find the orthocenter? Orthocenter means point of intersection of altitudes only now. Now, first find two altitudes. Slope of BC. Slope of BC. How much? See that BC. Y2 minus Y1 by X2 minus X1 plus 7. So this is minus 1 by 2. Now, perpendicular slope, that means slope of AD, what is that? 2. Now find equation of AD. It passing through vertex A is, so y minus 7, that is equal to 2 into x plus 1. See the calculation, 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. So this is one equation. Next find slope of AC. Slope of AC. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So this is minus 12 by 6. We get minus 2. Now perpendicular slope. That means slope of DE. So we get 1 by 2. Now equation of DE, not DE, BE, sorry. Equation of B, it's passing through vertex B only. So y minus 1, that is equal to 1 by 2 into x plus 7. Now observe the equation. We get 2y minus 2, that is equal to x plus 7. Now x minus 2y plus 9, that is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Solve these two equations by using CMM method, cross multiplication method. So minus 1, minus 2, 9, 9, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. Now observe here, x divided by minus 9 plus 18, that is equal to y divided by 18 minus 9, that is equal to 1 divided by minus 2 minus of minus plus 2. Students, here small calculation. Here is 2, here is 2, here is 1. Similarly, here how much we get? Minus 4 plus 1. Now observe that x is equal to, this is 9 by minus 3, comma, y is equal to 9 by minus 3. Now here, this is small correction again, 9 minus 18. So here will come minus 9. Now x value is minus 3 and y value is 3. Therefore, orthocenter, how much? Minus 3 comma 3. So this is, but calculation do carefully. So I'm going to next question. So here observe that a normal drawn to the parabola y square is equal to 4x at 1 comma 2. So see the question. y square is equal to 4x. They are given parabola. Y square is equal to 4x. So what is the a value here? A is equal to 1. And point given, that is 1 comma 2. So here parametric point, what is that? 280 comma 80 square. This is parametric point 80 square comma 280. This is the parabola y square is equal to 4x now. So by comparing both, 280 value is 2 and a is also 1. We get t is equal to 1. Now what is the equation of normal in parametric point? Equation of normal. What is the formula? That is tx plus 2ay is equal to 280 plus 80 cube. This is equation of normal. Substitute the values. A is equal to 1 and t is equal to 1. We get x plus 2y, that is equal to 3. This is equation of normal, and it is intersecting x-axis. Intersecting x-axis means y coordinate 0. Substitute y is equal to 0. We get x value is 3. Now finally, the point of intersection is 3 comma 0. Next, go to the another conditions. Tangent is drawn to y is equal to e power x at c comma e power c if tangent and normal intersect at x-axis. So here y is equal to e power x given. By using this curve, we want to find slope of the tangent m, that is dy by dx, that is equal to e power x only. Now find equation of tangent at point c comma e power c. Y minus e power c, that is equal to m. M means e power x into x minus c. This is equation of tangent and passing through 3 comma 0 only. Substitute here. Y is 0 minus e power c, that is equal to e power 3 into 3 minus c. Here slope of the tangent at point c comma e power c now. So what we get here, slope finally, that is e power c. So this is e power c. This is also e power c. Observe that e power c is going to cancel. Minus 1 is equal to 3 minus c. Then what is c value? 4. So this is also easy question. So next I am going to another question. See the third question. Surface area of a cube increasing at the rate of 3.6 centimeter per second. Find the rate at which its volume increases when length of side A is 10 centimeters. First, surface area asking. Surface area related. What is the formula? S is equal to 6a square. This is the formula. And they are given ds by dt. How much given? 3.6. And volume of cube. What is the formula? V is equal to a cube. So here we need to find dv by dt. This is. Now, first observe that s is equal to 6a square. Do the differentiation. ds by dt, that is equal to 12a into dA by dt. Already given ds by dt value. How much? that is 3 point ds by dt value 3.6, that is equal to, and here a side 10 centimeters given, use that is also 12 into 10 dA by dt, dA by dt. See the calculation, what we get dA by dt finally, dA by dt is equal to 0.03. Next, volume given, V is equal to A cube, do the differentiation, dV by dt is equal to, we get 3a square into dA by dt. Now 3a square, a value is 100, 10 square means 100, we get 300 into dA by dt, that is 0.03. So finally, what we get the answer, dV by dt is equal to 9. This is also very easy question. Okay, all of you understood now. Next, I will go to the another. See the next question. Here, integration 0 to 1 by 2 x square by 1 minus x square whole power 3 by 2 dx is equal to k by 6 given. Now, this is easy question only, but substitution method. So in place of x, what we have to substitute? Take x is equal to sine theta. Now do the differentiation. Dx is equal to cos theta d theta. Okay. So here we need to find k value. First see that integration 0 to 1 by 2. Substitute, and we want to change the limit also. If x is equal to 0, then what is theta? Here x is equal to sine theta means theta is sine inverse x. So x is equal to 0 means theta also 0 only. Now x is equal to 1 by 2 means sine inverse of 1 by 2, that is pi by 6. So here limit 0 to pi by 6. 0 to pi by 6. 0 pi by 6. Now in place of x substitute sine theta, sine square theta divided by 1 minus sine square theta whole power 3 by 2 into dx. Dx means that is cos theta d theta. So here 1 minus sine square theta means cos square theta whole power 3 by 2 is there. So denominator we get only cos theta and power cube. Overall cos cube theta into cos theta d theta. So here see the calculation. We get 0 to pi by 6. 1 of cos is cancelled. Sine square theta by cos square theta means tan square theta. What is tan square theta formula? That is secant square theta minus 1 into d theta. Now, what is integration of secant square theta? That is tan theta minus integration of 1, that is theta. So limit 0 to pi by 6. Now apply the limit, tan pi by 6, we get 1 by root 3 minus pi by 6. If you are substituted lower limit, you'll get 0 only. What is the LCM here? LCM 6 root 3. Numerator, we get 6 minus pi root 3 and that is equal to already given in the question k by 6. Now observe that what is k value? What is k value here? 6 cancel, and numerator Take root 3 common, it is going to cancel. Finally, you will get root 2 minus pi is equal to here. See the calculation. Numerator, take root 3 common, we get 2 root 3 minus pi divided by root 3, that is equal to k. So root 3 cancel. Finally, what is k value? 2 root 3 minus pi. So this is also easy question, but we want to get idea. In place of x square, substitute sine theta. In place of x, substitute sine theta. Then we get. So I'm going to next question. Question number 5. This is integration only. Observe here. Sine inverse of something is there. First, draw the one right angle triangle. So that is I'm going to convert into tan inverse because here tan inverse terms are there. So this is take theta. Sine inverse means opposite side by hypotenuse. Then what about adjacent? Adjacent side we get 1. So integration in place of sine inverse of something, convert into tan. So we get tan inverse of root x by 1 by observing this triangle. So here integration tan inverse root x dx. So use Eilert formula. So integration 1 into tan inverse root 2 x dx. So here tan inverse root x is the first function, 1 is the second function. Apply the formula. Tan inverse root x minus, integration 1 dx, that is x, minus integration derivative of tan inverse root x. Derivative of tan inverse x means 1 by 1 plus x square. Here will come x. And internal derivative, derivative of root x, that is 1 by 2 root x into integration 1 dx, x dx. Now this is x into tan inverse root x minus, here take that root x or x is equal to tan square theta, or we can take root x is equal to t or x is equal to t square. Now do the differentiation, dx is equal to 2t dt. Now substitute here, already x is there, t square divided by 1 plus t square into 1 by 2t dx means 2t dt. So 2t is going to cancel. Now this is same minus. So this is how to write t square plus 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus t square into dt. Adding 1, subtracting 1. So this is continuous same minus. So here what we get, integration t square plus 1 by 1 plus t square means 1, minus into minus, plus integration 1 by 1 plus t square dt. So first one is same, minus integration 1 dt, that is t dt. T means root x plus integration 1 by 1 plus t square tan inverse t. What is t? Root x. So finally tan inverse of root x plus c. Observe the problem. What they are asking, tan inverse root x coefficient, that is ax. So here a of x, that is equal to x and b of x they are asking, that is tan inverse of root x minus root x. So these are the a of x and b of x value. Next, I am going to another problem. See the next question. This is circle parabola related problem, mixed conceptual. Two equal circles of radius 2 root 5. Radius given, that is equal to 2 root 5. Next, and passes through entire lattice rectum of y square is equal to 4x. Then find distance between the centers of circle. So here y square is equal to 4x is there. What is length of lattice rectum? Y square is equal to 4x. So here a value is 1. Length of lattice rectum, that is equal to 4a. So 4 into 1, that is 4. Here observe that for suppose this is a point P. Okay. So here we know that radius. Take that any one of the triangle. I am going to take triangle PSC2. PC2 is radius of the circle 2 root 5 and PS is semi-lattice rectum, that is 2. By using Pythagoras, so what we get here, this is 8. SS2 is 8. SC2 is 8. That is equal to SC1 also. Therefore, distance between centers 8 plus 8, that is 16. This is the answer. Distance between the circles, distance between the center of the circles 16. Students, this is not 8. This is 4. Now this is 4. So this is 4, 4. So distance between the centers, we get 8. This is 4 plus 4, that is 8. 8 is the answer. This is also very easy question. I think out of 6 questions, 5 questions are easy. 1 question is lengthy. Okay. So I think all of you understood now. Please subscribe the channel, like and share to your friends. Thank you.